how to mount your solar panels using the 4-panel top-of-pole mount kit from RPS Solar Pumps. And of course, if you ever get stuck with your purchase of any kit, you have access to our friendly customer support team who can walk you through install over the phone. Start by preparing additional tools and equipment needed. Refer to the list on the left-hand side. Then dig a 30 to 48 inch deep hole. The depth you dig the hole depends on your area's frost line. Ensure that the area you're placing the top-of-pole mount is in an unobstructed place and is south-facing for exposure to the sun, as that is the direction you'll be setting up your solar panels. Then insert your set post into the middle of the hole. Ensure the pole is stable and centered before you start slowly pouring in your cement mixture. Prior to the cement settling, make sure that the post is leveled and straight. To assemble the 4-piece solar panels, get your pole bracket and insert the bolts L from the inside through the 2 middle circles, then slightly secure it with the nuts M. Repeat with the other pole bracket. Then you'd want to attach the 2 pole brackets to the top of the set post and secure it tightly by using the 4 long bolts I and nuts K to clamp it. Use your compass to confirm that the bolts and nuts are aligned with east and west. After, remove the nuts M that was previously used to hold the pole bracket together and attach the tilt bracket to each side of the pole brackets, then secure it tightly with the nuts M. Then attach the extension rails onto the top of the tilt bracket and use bolts J and nuts K to mount them. Align the 2 rails so they extend the same on both sides, then tighten the 4 bolts. Leave that aside and grab your panel rails and the rail joining L plates, along with your I bolts and K nuts. Insert the I bolts into the L plates through the bottom and side holes. Then measure the center of the L plates and start slowly sliding the panel rails towards the center line. Once joined, tighten the bolts one at a time using the K nuts while ensuring that the 2 rails are even. Repeat with the other panel rails. Once prepared, attach the 2 long rails to the extension rails using the remaining 4 J hex bolts and K nuts. Begin by sliding 1 bolt into the bottom slots of each side of the rails. Then, move the panels into the position where the bolts go through the holes in the extension rails. Secure it tightly with the M nuts. To attach the solar panels onto the panel rails, start by securing the end clamps to one side of the panel rails. Carefully lay down 1 solar panel, then insert and slide mid clamps from the top slot of each of the panel rails until it reaches the solar panel. Tighten down the mid clamps hand tight, do not over tighten. Repeat this twice, then after your last solar panel is attached, secure it by adding end clamps to the top of the panel. And once you're finished, this is what other customers' installs have looked like in the field. Give RPS a call if you have questions or want to size a pump and mounting kit.